Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo pour aujourd'hui. Bienvenue avec tout le monde qui va regarder la vidéo. Ça, et merci déjà avec tout le monde qui est déjà abonné, partage, puis qui un bel petit commentaire pour nous. So, aujourd'hui, je vais faire une vidéo qui je ne sais pas qui cette vidéo là, mais après, on joue dans la vie, ok? On a pris on joue dans la vie parce que c'est ça le parler. Bella? We don't need all this story. So Gabriel parle, il va acheter une pizza. Il a mangé déjà les midi. Il a mangé déjà. Steph mange céréales. Bella pas de gangou. Bella pas de gangou. Et puis, bam sauti. On va me caper là. Bella pas de gangou. Et puis, Gabriel va acheter une pizza pour les cas savourer. Pour les cas manger dans la bouche, ok? Ça me dit, bon, faut on joue dans la vie parce que moi, je suis lazy quand je vais poster. Je me dis, bon, faut poster. Gabriel! Look at the makeup today, guys. It's on point. I put blush. I don't usually put blush, but I'm starting to put blush now. Mettez blush na figure.
What, babe?
Are you coming or not?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Can you grab the keys?
Nope. Not until you say good morning. No, it's like.
Bonjour, tout, moun.
Cadê figure Steph, viens
Cadê
sérieux.
filho tu? Je vais me sembler un caca, oui, babe.
Hi. Let's get it. Let's go.
Hey.
You look cute. Chaque jour nous allons sortir avec Bella, faut lui mettre valise sous dos, pile bagay sous lit. Okay, are you ready? Je vais Bella va faire non guys.
Hey, you ate a nice big old chicken Caesar salad.
On a
Obviously,
déjà
you
déjà.
don't speak to-
Bella, oh my god.
Qu'est-ce que Bella a pensé d'hier?
Oh my god. Who's that? Is it Bella? Hello, Bobby.
I jacket.
Say hi.
I jacket.
Say hi. Really?
I jacket, mommy.
Yeah. Bella thinks she's a queen. She think like, hey, don't play with me. Okay, guys. So we are going. The car is breaking down on us. Go to the driveway.
Yeah, but when they're open, the sign.
I think it's open.
You think so?
Yeah. Go through the driveway.
Bah ouais, moun a donné no cars. Unless they park back there.
Well, the only thing you can do is go through the driveway. Gabriel va passer Little Caesars ouvert, non Simon?
No balcone, bah ouais, ou gen moun an dan balcone.
It doesn't look. Clearance.
No sign.
Thank you for choosing Little Caesars. I'll be with you in a moment.
No problem.
Baby pizza.
Pour moi-même? Bah, mes pizzas, ça, non?
Could I just get a classic pepperoni?
Bah, mes pizzas, ça, Gabriel qui revient.
Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it. Okay.
Dis, ça, c'est pour 250 gouttes.
Ele... Por dessas mas balcone com $100 Américain combien de balcone?
I honestly don't know. Parce que yo di $100 by $3,000 konya. I mba konya.
Yeah, so let's say the top by.
Gabriel te bezwen yon bwe, paske nou va vol la kay. So Gabriel ap achton bwe nan McDonald, paske nou gen pizza nou va vol la kay. Ki ba nou prale Bella, where are we going, baby?
To the park.
Yeah, are you excited? Bobby, are you excited? Bobby?
Yes.
Bobby, are you excited?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Mama.
Gabriel deside pou l mene ti moun yon nan park pou yo jwe. Pwede la manje pizza. Guys, mba lese pizza, mba manje cross pizza. Is that how you say it, baby?
Yeah, the crust.
Yeah, the crust, I'm gonna eat it. That's what I love. It tastes like bread. It tastes like bread, so I'm gonna eat it. Right. Gabe ap fe, guys. Ok, Gabe ap fe, guys. Apo sa pou nou ale nan park la. Bon ti bwe nan bwe Gabriel la. Gabriel pense si sel li men ki pral bwe, mpa bwe. Boy. So guys, mfe zong mwe pou kom. I've been doing my nails by myself for a month now. Mte achete kek ti bay sou Amazon.
Got haircut.
Oh, you want some of your daddy's drink?
Yes, I got haircut.
Okay. Mte achete kek ti bagay sou. M'achete un LED light. Not LED light, I don't know. Sa yo fè zon yo sèche bien rapide la. Mte achete some gel. E koune am achete acrylic powder.
Oh my.
Yeah, I've been doing my nails now. So I saw that shit like that. I was so mad and it hurt. Like, ou konen logo acrylic ki rache, li vreman fè mal. Stefan. Hi.
Me, Mama. I can see it.
Oh, I cannot see. Bon mette telefon nan charge.
Hey,
Bella, di moun yo koman nou ye?
come to you.
Di koman nou ye?
Come to you.
Bon, di bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonjour.
Di mwen manke nou.
Come, Mama, come on.
Mwen manke nou.
Mama, come on.
That's all she can say. What's your name?
Bella Coder.
Oh yes. How old are you?
2 7.
You're 3 years old. What is your brother's name?
Stephen.
What is your mama's name?
Jonah.
What is your daddy's name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Let's go, baby. Can you say subscribe to the channel?
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes, thank you, baby.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Guys, my babies. Bella parle kreyol. Ou ka fe sa ou même? Bella parle kreyol. Oh. Je viens avec un boule pour Bobby jouer. Bobby tellement aime jouer et basket. Il va pas jouer non mais il fait ça le café. Mais nous va venir en boule pour Bobby jouer. Son picnic, right, baby? Did you get the drink? Should I go get a drink for you?
Mwen avè lui.
Son picnic, oui. Can you cut a little cross for me? C'est ça, moi, guys. Enjoy your pizza, babe. As we get to the park, guess who needs to pee? This little lady needs to pee. Len fink vin nan park la. Mwen nan djou, mommy, I need to pee.
Ada figi babi literalmente conta.
Yeah! Mommy, stop, mommy. Stop, mommy.
I can't.
Ade.
Mama.
Ade.
Guys, got it painted. Bella were painted.
Those are geese.
It painted you really ITV. You not painted, guys?
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm scared to higher.
Be careful, baby. Those birds are really mean. They'll bite you.
Okay, so guys, ba mwen explike nou sak fink pase la. Bella di pipi kembel epi gon pou gon. No, Bobby, no. Epi gon kote pou moun itilize toilet nan park la. Epi mal lada. Mal gade sil ka itilize. Men lem rive lada. Ti moun baka itilize baga sa. Nou konen Bella pa nan diaper ankor. Bella se jen fi la fe. So, guess what? Bella pipi sou tout pantalon. Tout kilot li il te gen pipi sou tout. Kounè mou retire pantalon paske ou pa kap mache. Hein? You wanna go home? Ok, ou kon ou pa kap mache avèk pantal. Nou pa vin nan park, ok? Nou pat gen panse pou vin nan park. Ou konen ou pa kap mache avèk san pantalon. Ou konen Steph gen diaper. Mou retire pantalon Steph la metel sou Bella. Konen Bobby avèk diaper nan park la. Nou pat kontin tap vin nan park. Nou konen selman pizza nou pa l'achete. Et puis pour nous aller tourner la caille et puis nous décider de venir dans le parc là, ok? So, on a Bobby avec diaper et puis Bella prend pantalon et Bobby. That's life. So, m'ba konnen guys, si nous une vidéo à camper là, il a camper vidéo parce que things are getting out of control. Okay, Bella, you ready to go home? You ready to go to? Do not, no. No, baby, those are not for you to play. She's such a drama queen. Bobby, I'm sorry I stole your pants. That.
Put Basil.
Basil's in the car, which he doesn't need.
I just don't want him walking all around.
Are you okay? Did you eat the pizza?
Yeah, 2 pieces.
That's all?
Yeah, that's like good.
Gade make up but figi pitit gason nan siye. Ok, konya nou pral la kay, nap di bye bye. Merci parce que te passé ti jou sa avec nous. Tout le monde say bye. Say bye.
Bye tout le monde.
Bella say bye. Bobby say bye.
Say bye, Bobs. Bye.
Bye guys. See ya in the next video. Nap on another video. Bye.